अरे भाई कैसे है तुम?
अरे ठीक
अरे
है।
क्या हुआ? जोर जोर नया गाड़ी लिया कहते।
हाँ अभी बात करा मैं उससे, आ रहा कहता डिलीवरी ले लिया मैंने।
अरे मस्त तेरी गाड़ी।
अरे कैसी है बाइक, मगर वो स्पोर्ट्स बाइक कैसी घूम घूम नहीं है बाइक की वजह से।
अरे बहुत अच्छी है, मैं चलाऊं गाड़ी। मैं जा रहा हूँ, चला के आता हूँ।
अरे नहीं है मामा, थोड़े दिन के बाद ले ले।
अरे कुछ नहीं होता मामा, मैं अभी यहाँ तक जाके आता हूँ, बस इतना ही। ठीक है, जा रहा हूँ मैं। अरे कैसा ऑन करना?
अरे क्लच पकड़ भाई।
अरे हाँ ठीक है।
अरे भाई कितनी देर, मेरे को भी होना है।
अरे
काम तो भी है
समझ में नहीं आ रहा यार, उसको गाड़ी कैसा चालू करना नहीं समझ
मगर मेरे को दे रहा ना राइट।
हाँ आन दो उसको।
अरे भाई वो ब्लैक स्पोर्ट्स बाइक आप लोगों की?
हाँ कहीं को
आपका दोस्त है, आपका घुस गया ने, बहुत बुरा घुस गया ने।
अरे
घुसा और फिर आगे घुसा, पूरी पब्लिक
अरे
जमा
अरे
गई।
अरे यार, चलो 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 यार चलो।
पहले ही नहीं
Hello YouTube. So you have seen the skit. Now, well, it wasn't a skit, but now time to make some valid points. First of all, my apologies. I haven't been active of lately because of my exams and some other personal commitments, but we'll get to that later. So how many times have you encountered a situation wherein you just bought your new bike, okay, and we all know the kind of emotions which are attached when you get your new vehicle, and especially when it's a sports bike. You know, some people have planned for it from a long time, and then there comes the will of the fathers and whoever's in charge. You know, sometimes it's not even about the money, it's just about that, you know, super bike is death kind of thing. So after you get your hands on one, all of a sudden in your friend circle you are the superhero, and there will be a time when any of your relatives, your friends, any best friend, anybody will just, you know, ask for a joyride, take it for a spin right there, or maybe borrow it for a day or two. And this comes from a guy who never very rarely reviews or rides showroom vehicles. Most of the time I review or ride my friends' motorcycles. So I really thought I should share all this information with you. So what are the repercussions, or what are the problems, or how well you should be prepared if you are giving your bike to a friend? Okay, when your close friend, your relative, your father's friend, your grandfather's friend, anybody, okay, who asks you for your vehicle, you just can't refuse. Okay, sometimes you can, sometimes you can't, because then comes the ego kicks in, and you know, people are like, "Arey, he just got the bike, he's got so much of attitude," and you know. But what people don't understand is, when it comes to super bikes especially, there is a level of skill which has to be involved. And if you're a new rider, you know, you bought your first super bike, when you're new to the thing, and in the event, you know, many times it happens, your friend crashes your bike, or you know, something bad happens, and then you can't really, you know, ask him for money or anything. They're like, insurance will fix it, or you know, even if it's not, they'll, you know, when it comes to payment, everyone will have their own stories, and you know, everyone will have their own problems like in front of you. So basically you don't want that, because it's your bike. You got your new bike, and you know, it crashed, and you know, once it crashes and it's repaired, that original feeling won't come back again. Yes, that is true. No matter how well of a job you do, the feeling of that new bike is gone. You know, emotionally you're also very psyched that, you know, your bike fell or whatever. In rare cases nothing happens, you know, a friend nicely takes it for a spin and gets it back. But first of all, to the people who buy bikes, okay, you try to make it, first of all, be acquainted yourself with the bike, and whoever you're giving it to is, don't be shy, because see, it's not about the bike. Sometimes if something really goes wrong, like really bad, your friend dies or gets handicapped or anything like that, and the blame is going to come on to you, that, you know, it's your bike, why did you give it to him, all those kinds of things. And yeah, today it's a beautiful evening, but it's not such a beautiful day in Hyderabad, because you see there's a lot of traffic here in Tirumalgiri in Secunderabad. That is literally another corner of the city which is full of traffic all the time. And so yes, so if you're giving your bike to any of your friends, you just be careful about these points, that if anything goes wrong, what if. And as a biker, like the owner of the bike, you have very little you can do. To some people, yes, you can deny, don't deny it too rashly. Just explain to them, if something goes wrong, anything, dude, it's gonna come on to me and all that. And to the elders, there are lots of elders in our families who have ridden two-stroke machines and all, and when they ask us and we tell them something, aisa nahi, they will be like, oh, we have been riding bikes before you were born, all that kind of dialogues. Okay, not in all cases, but in some cases, the bikes they rode and the bikes we ride today are entirely different. The power delivery, the way it handles, the sharper braking, more agile nature, it comes from a friend's father dropped the bike. He himself is a very good biker, but it happens sometimes. It's not wantedly, but it just happens. So it's not, when it comes to family, it's not about the vehicle. If your dad, God forbid something goes wrong, he crashes, then it's again one big pain. So now the advice to the people who borrow bikes or ride their friends' bikes. I ride a lot of my friends' bikes. You've seen them on my channel. Most of them you've not even seen on my channel. I take my friends' bikes for spins, everything, I ride them pretty fast and all. But see, first rule, never do anything without the consent of the owner. Like if I'm taking my friend's bike for a spin ride, I just ask him, can I? Even if he politely refuses, I don't mind, because dude, end of the day, it's his bike. And if he's given it to you, so he's basically giving you a liability. It's not an asset, it's a liability. If you crash, if something goes wrong, it's all on you, and you're giving your friend unnecessary trouble, and then the whole friendship gets spoiled because of money. And sometimes even if it's not about money, you pay him, but that confidence won't be back again. So whenever you borrow your friend's bike, just behave as if it's your own bike. No, really, I'm serious. And by telling that, I don't mean you just take it and rip it apart. No, try to understand it first, try to see how it goes, how it's because it's basically you have someone else's wife with you. I know it's wrong on so many levels, but still, to bikers, car is okay, it's a different thing, but for bikers it's more of an emotional attachment. I hate traffic. So yes, so be very careful when you're taking your friends' bikes. And sometimes if you're giving it to, first of all, bikers, don't give it to anybody who's very less known to you. No matter how many times they ask, please, no. You never know what will go wrong. They might take it for a spin, they might stop taking your calls, go somewhere long. Sometimes they screw up your bike. Sometimes they wantedly do it, sometimes it just happens. They don't understand the bike, and then you tell them. It all comes down to one thing. Arey, he got the bike, his ego is so much, he's ek baar gaadi liya to aisa suna diya ine mere ko ye wo, all that kind of shit. You know how it is in other parts of India, but in Hyderabad at least, people are very, very polite. So turning down when your friend asks you for your bike is considered a very, very, very big insult. So also, friends, if you're not that close to somebody, and it's better you don't ask them. Only after you know each other personally for a long time, and you have that kind of thinking, you can just ride their bike. And also, if your another friend is a biker as well, then there's a very less chance that he might fuck up. So you gotta think a lot of these points beforehand for taking your friend's bike for a spin. And if you crash, something happens to you, dude, if you're in coma, you're passed out, your parents don't know what happened. Okay, your parents are gonna, because see, it's the human mind, it's children first. Parents, they care a lot for their children, and giving such bikes to children, or even letting them buy these with their own money, they already have their hearts racing that every time the son goes out on the bike, is he back safely? No matter how good of a rider you are, it's just a mom and dad's heart which works like that. So if something goes wrong with you, they're going to put the complete blame on your friend. And your friend who's got a shiny new bike, his parents might sell it off because dude, your friend crashed. And okay, it's a very tricky maneuver. Anyways, all that kinds of, so you don't want to create that kind of haphazard trouble in your friends' lives, in your own life. You don't want to endanger. And see, if your friend gives your bike, just if you're borrowing it for a day or two, you have to be extra careful that you don't rip it in his absence. It's like if you're ripping it and all, somebody else sees it, goes tells your friend, it's very bad. That comes as a very bad mark on your friendship. So you don't do that. Whatever you're doing with the bike, you just tell your friend beforehand. Doesn't mean you just take it and rape it, but just keep him informed is my point. So I think I've made most of my points clear. So yes, the next time bikers you are giving your shiny new bike to your friends, keep these points in mind. And people who are borrowing or asking someone's new bike, at least do have the courtesy, you know, for a few days till the bike is new, don't ask, because you know that emotions are there. It's on TR, that is temporary registration, it's new, and you know you just got in the bike, it's not even the first service also hasn't been done, you can't rip it. So why take all that risk? You know, sometimes your friend is present, you're out on a ride, or you know, go with him somewhere, he's sitting behind you, you just rip thoda sa bhaga ke, you know, you just get a feel of the bike, enjoy it, that's that. So that's that for my informative video after a long time. And I have lots of videos in my mind, topics which need to be addressed, which I don't know why nobody else is addressing. So yep, that's it for today. I will be fried on my way back home. No, it's not because of the bike, it's beautiful in city, but it's just because of my full armored jacket and all. I'm coming from an event actually. So see you guys, sayonara, good night, whatever.
मामा नया बाइक लिया मामा। कैसी है हार्ली डेविडसन है?
मस्त है।
मस्त है। हाँ?
रुको, लास्ट टाइम मेरा नहीं हुआ,